Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Telegram and going straight to Settings. This places you where storage controls live. Once there, choose Data and Storage to view storage usage and cached media. Make sure you're on the correct account because deletions apply globally to that account's cloud. You'll see a storage usage option. Tap it now to list folders and large files. Don't skip confirming the account. Accidental removals are permanent from the cloud for that user. Once in storage usage, scan the list for the biggest space hogs, chats, media types, and individual files. You can sort or filter to show largest items first, which speeds removal. Select a chat or file group and preview content so you don't delete needed items. Previewing avoids accidental loss. After selecting, use Clear Cache for local removal or Delete for cloud items. Remember, clearing cache only frees device space, while deletion removes cloud copies. To finish, select the files or chats you want removed and choose Delete. Confirm the dialog to remove them from Telegram's cloud. If you need a full reset, use Clear All to purge account storage, but note this affects every device. If a deletion fails, first check your internet connection and that Telegram has storage and network permissions, then relaunch the app and retry. If issues persist, sign out and sign in again. This forces a sync and often resolves stuck cloud operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.